In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Payhip to Convertkit. This process will help you streamline your workflow by automatically subscribing your customers to your mailing lists, enhancing your marketing efforts effectively. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, let's obtain your Convertkit API key, which is essential for making a secure connection between Payhip and Convertkit. Begin by logging into your Convertkit account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. Now, you'll see various tabs on the sidebar to your left. What you want to look for is the Developer tab. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find your API key and API secret, prominently labeled as your API key and API secret, respectively. Make sure you copy both these keys. A crucial tip here is to check that you're using the v3 keys, as these are specifically designed for third-party integrations, ensuring a seamless connection. With the API details in hand, let's move on to linking Convertkit to Payhip. Start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top and click on the Marketing tab. Under this tab, you'll find the Mailing Lists section. Click on it, and then select the Set Up Mailing Lists button to proceed. A modal will pop up with a list of email service providers. From this list, you'll need to choose Convertkit. Now, paste those API key and API secret details that you copied earlier into the appropriate fields. Once everything's in place, simply click Save Details. This action confirms and establishes the connection between Payhip and Convertkit, allowing them to work in harmony moving forward. Now let's make sure everything is set for your products. When you're either creating a new product or editing an existing one in Payhip, scroll down the page until you reach the Advanced Options section. Here, you'll find the option labeled Automatically Subscribe Customers to Mailing List. Enable this option to activate the automatic subscription feature for your customers. After that, you'll want to select from the drop-down menu which specific mailing list or form in Convertkit you want your customers to be added to. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. By linking Payhip to Convertkit, you've set up a seamless process to automatically subscribe buyers to your mailing lists, allowing you to engage with them through targeted email campaigns. Implementing this integration ensures that no customer is left out of your communications, optimizing your marketing efforts with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!